the components, what are the concepts available in full stack Java I have discussed. And to become a full stack Java developer, what we have to learn? One front end application is required. Okay, one front end application is required. One Java developer, one database developer, one tester is required, and one deployment team is required. If all these are available, you are going to be a full stack Java developer. Okay, it is what I said in last class. Okay, very clearly I said that. Actually, to become the, listen once again carefully. Okay, to become a full stack Java developer, we need the components like what? First one is nothing but front end, which is called a UI developer. Second one is nothing but Java developer. And the third one is nothing but database developer. And next one is nothing but tester. And last one is nothing but build and deployment team. It is what I said in last class. Okay, under full stack, you have to learn. Okay, listen carefully. Under front end, you have to learn either HTML, JavaScript, Bootstrap, CSS, and React.js. Okay, under front end, you have to learn these courses. HTML is coming, JavaScript is coming, Bootstrap is coming, CSS, React.js. And under Java, you are getting core Java is coming, advanced Java is coming, Spring is coming, and Spring Boot also coming. Along with that, web services are coming. Just only I'm introducing, that's all. And database developer, you have to learn Oracle. And tester, actually in our institute, means in our course there is no tester part. And tester work is what means he is checking our application is satisfying all the client requirements or not. Generally, you have to learn Selenium for this. Nowadays, we are using Selenium. And build and deployment team means nothing but AWS. Remember, Amazon Web Development Services. And their work is what? Uploading our project into the domain. Remember this. Okay, their work is what? Installing or uploading the project into the domain and maintaining the project. Any problems are occurred and how to manage the cloud. All these are going to do by the build and deployment team. This is in last class what I have explained. Okay. HTML, all these are where we are using, and Java where we are using, and database what it is going to do. Oracle work is storing our data. Okay, storing our project data. And tester work is testing the project is satisfying all the rules and regulations or not. And finally, build and deployment team installing, uploading the project into the cloud, okay, and managing the project. It is in my first class what I have explained with the diagram. These are the 5 developers and what their role is, what I have clearly given. Okay, next. In our project, listen carefully. In our project, we are going to use minimum 3 members. UI developer, Java developer, database developer. Everyone listen. In our project, minimum we are going to use 3 developers. One is UI developer, one is the Java developer, one is the database developer. Okay. And here, when we are using minimum 3 persons, when we are using minimum 3, that is called a 3-tier application. What I am saying is, this is called a 3-tier applications, 3 layers, because of one is the UI, one is the UI, one is the Java, one is the database. When 3 architectures or 3 layers are used, it is called 3-tier application. Along with these 3, when we are adding the Spring Boot, microservices, AWS to our project, this is called entire application. because of n number of layers are applied. N tire. Tire means layers. Remember everybody, tire means layers. When our project is used, okay, when our project is using more than three tires or more than three layers, and that kind of application is called entire application. Okay, and nowadays every real-time application or enterprise edition application is a entire application because of all these tires are used in that one. I have given example also. Okay, next one. Actually, this course duration is 6 months and actual fees is 30,000. Suppose you need the placement assistance also, you have to pay. Okay, listen. When it is placement assistance, the fees is 35,000. And here, along with the normal, you are getting the, listen carefully, along with the normal subject, you are getting CRT, all these things also. And they are giving the lab. Finally, okay, you are going to be appointed because of we are having 65 plus companies support, and they are going to give you 10 companies. Okay, and they are giving the CRT also. And when the course is completed, they are giving the job opportunity also for you. And in our course, finally, we are going to discuss two mini projects and one major project. Remember, okay, how the projects are covered. I'm going to say that when core Java, listen carefully, and advanced Java completed, you are getting two projects, two mini projects. When core Java, advanced Java completed, you are getting two projects. Why? Because I'm going to give this clarity means in core Java, we are not getting any projects. Very clearly, I am saying that core Java completely it is a practical part. Remember, everybody, core Java. Everyone listen. Core Java is a language. Core Java, just it is a language. What is what? What is what? Alphabets we are going to learn. And here we can't develop any projects. We can't develop any web application. And to develop the web application, you have to learn the advanced Java also. When advanced Java also completed, then only you are getting a projects. After that, when Spring plus Spring Boot plus microservices, all these are completed, you are getting another projects. Because of it is very, very important. This is the real-time project you are going to get. When Spring, Spring Boot, microservices are completed, means web services are completed. You are getting the real-time project, very big one. This is a very big one project. Okay, and this is the way to you have to complete. First, join the core Java. Along with that, attend the HTML and Oracle also. It is the first means daily you have to attend 2 or 3 classes parallelly. When it is completed, go for advanced Java, CSS, JavaScript like this, or Java remaining concept. Finally, you have to finish Spring and AWS basics also. It is yesterday what I have discussed. Okay. Next one. Actually, in Java, what is core Java? Listen carefully. I'm going to explain what is core Java. With core Java, what we are going to discuss. By using core Java, we can develop a standalone application. Yesterday, I said that it is yesterday written notes, but so many new students are there. That's why refreshing for 5 minutes only. Later that, we are moving to the new concept. Now see that by using core Java, we can develop what? Standalone application. Standalone applications are installed in a single system and they doesn't need any internet. Remember this. Standalone applications installed in single system. That means they are not web applications. They are working from single. That's why they are called standalone. And they doesn't need internet. That's why they are called non-internet based applications. Okay. This is the point you have to remember. Next one. Today we are going to, and what are the topics I am going to cover in your core Java? This is core Java syllabus. Okay. Topic name wise I have given up to enum concept. See that Java introduction to up to enum concept we are going to discuss. And now today I am going to come with the advanced Java. In advanced Java, what we are going to, okay, by using advanced Java, we can develop the web application. Okay, in advanced Java, we can develop the web application. And with core Java, you can't develop any web application. To develop any web application, you should have to, okay? You should have to go for advanced Java. Okay, what is web application? All these I'm going to cover. Just wait. Okay, nothing to worry about it. I'm going to cover what is web application, how it is working, what are the components available inside the web application. Listen, today I'm going to start with the new concept. What is that? What is Java first of all? What is Java? Now today the real session starts because of up to yesterday what is full stack I have explained only. But today we are going to start the programming means what is the real subject. Java is a programming language. It is the first thing. Java is a programming language. Now, once it is programming language, first you have to understand what is called program, sir, what is called language, sir. Listen carefully, one by one. In detail, I'm going to explain. And anybody having any doubts, you can raise the hand or you can talk with me directly or you can put the message in chat window. Remember, guys, you are having any doubt, you guys are having any doubt, you can contact with me because of you are having the mic permission. Otherwise, you can raise the hand. Otherwise, you can chat in chat window. You are having three options. Okay. Now, first of all, what is called programming and why we need the language? Okay, what is called language? Listen carefully. First, what is a program? You know that generally it is a normal concept. Set of instructions is called program. As per computer language, as per the computer world, we are calling set of instructions is called program. Remember this. Set of programs is called okay program. Now, sir, what is set of instructions, sir? What is called set of instructions and why we have to write the programs? Why we have to write the programs? Listen carefully. Okay, to understand this one, you have to know what is a language also. Okay. Anybody tell me languages are used for what purpose? Anybody in this class? Generally, we are using Telugu, English, Hindi, Marathi, like this. Okay. Everybody knows in this class. Okay. Generally, we are going to use Telugu language, English language, Hindi, Marathi, so many. And can I say the languages are used for communicating with others, guys? Come on, respond, please. You are having the mic facility. Please confirm. When you are giving the reply means you are watching the class seriously. Then you are getting the subjects. That's why I'm asking. Generally, the languages are used to communicate with what? Human beings. You know that Telugu. Telugu is used to communicate with Telugu people. Marathi is used for Maharashtra people like this. Then why we need the languages in computers? Why we need the languages in computers? Okay. For that, I am giving a good reason. Everyone watch it. To understand this one, okay, you have to know why we have to learn either C language, Java language, .NET or Python language. Just watch it. What is a language? Generally, the languages like Telugu, English, Hindi, etc. are used to communicate with human beings. Okay, these languages are generally used to communicate with the human beings, but I want to communicate with the computers, not human beings. Listen carefully. Right now I want to communicate with the computer, not with the human beings. But these computers are not able to understand our language. These computers can't understand our Telugu, Hindi, English like this. Then, sir, show me practically, sir. Show me practically, okay, how these computers are not able to understand English. Very simple, and my live examples, very bold examples I am going to give you. Okay, what is the example I am going to give you? For example, anybody tell me in this class, by using our computer, can we print 100 numbers? Khyati, Laukya, please. Ramya. Reshma. Anyone please respond. By using computer. Okay. Mukherjee. Anybody tell me? By using computer, can we print 1 to 100 numbers on the screen? Come on. By using the computer, can we print 1 to 100 numbers? Yes, no doubt.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
Yes,
do
very
this.
good. Very good. We can print 1 to 100 numbers with the computer. Now, suppose I am asking the computer, suppose assume I am asking this computer, show me 1 to 100 numbers. Watch it carefully. What I am asking the system. Computer ji, show me 1 to 100 numbers. See that the computer is not giving any response. Why? Because it is not giving the response means it is not able to understand my English. Sorry. This computer is not able to understand my ఇంగ్లీష్. ఓకే, ఒక పని చేద్దాం, తెలుగులో కూడా అడిగి చూద్దాం. ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఆల్రెడీ అడిగాను, ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వలేదు. ఒకసారి తెలుగులో కూడా చూద్దాం. ఓకే, 1 నుంచి 100 దాకా చూపించు. ఓకే, ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చిందా ఇవ్వలేదా? కమాన్, తెలుగు పీపుల్ ఆర్ దేర్, యూ పీపుల్ రెస్పాండ్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ రెస్పాండింగ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ గుడ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ గైస్, దట్స్ వై. Okay, it is not responding because of it is not able to understand Telugu also. Okay, I'm doing one thing. I'm asking in Hindi also because of North Indians also there in class. That's why I'm asking in Hindi. Uh, okay. वाह, एक से 100 तक दिखाओ. See that it is not giving any answer. That means what? Now it is not able to understand the Hindi also. It is confirmed. It is confirmed. This computer is not able to understand Hindi. That means now it is very, very clear. The computer is not able to understand either Telugu or English or Hindi. Then what it can understood? What it can understood. Now see that I'm going to open the Java. Everybody observe it carefully. What I am writing, just everybody observe it carefully. I'm going to open Java, or I'm going to open C, anything, any language. Suppose I'm going to enter Java because of our concept also Java. No? That's why I'm giving Java example. Okay. Now I'm going to open Java application and I'm using Eclipse for this one. Okay. And my requirement is what? Actually, my requirement, I want to print 1 to 100 numbers using a Java program. Everybody observe it carefully. I want to display 1 to 100 numbers using one Java program. Okay. Just everyone watch it carefully, guys. For this, I'm going to open this Eclipse. Okay. Now the Eclipse environment is open. After this, I'm writing a small program also. Okay. I'm going to start a small program. Everyone see that? What is the program I'm going to use here? Actually, my requirement 100 numbers. I want to display 100 numbers. Okay. And starting number 1. Here, starting number 1. Here, starting number 1. Then what I am doing? I'm taking one for loop. Okay. I'm going to take one variable and ending with 100. And every time I want to increment 1. Okay. Later, I'm doing like this. I'm printing I and I need some space also. Don't confuse it. Sir, it is first demo and you are writing directly a Java program. We are not able to understand this Java program. It is only for understanding the concept. Okay. It is only for understanding the concept only. That's why just okay, try to understand what I want to say only. Try to understand what I want to what I want to say only. Here, first number I want to print 1. Everybody listen carefully. First number I want to print 1. Then I am going to store this one in I. Sir, I is what, sir? Generally, everybody getting a doubt. I is a variable. I is a variable. Sir, variable means what? I am going to give the clarity. No problem. See that. In this example, int I equal to 1. Here, I is called variable. Now, variable means what? Actually, the variable stands for container. Variable is a container is used to store the value. Now see that one is stored in I. One is stored in I. That means I is a container and container is used to store the value. Okay. Now you are getting one more doubt. Sir, then why you are writing int, sir? Okay. Here in one, there is no point value. Remember everybody. In one, there is no point value. When there is no point value, that kind of number is called a integer number. Remember, I am giving clarity. For example, 123. There is no decimal value. Then it is a non-decimal value. Non-decimal number. Listen carefully, guys. In 123, there is no point value. When there is no point value, that kind of number is called non-decimal number. In our computer language, they are called integer value or integer numbers. Suppose 1.25. See that it is a decimal number because of here point value is there. When point value is there, guaranteed it is called decimal number, and in our languages, computer language, it is called float. Everybody remember this. Today I have introduced two new concepts. One is integer, one is float. What is the difference between integer and float? Integer means non-decimal number, mean they never stores point values. Float mean they can store floating value, mean decimal number. Okay. Tell me 1 to 100 number. Anybody in this class? 1 to 100 number, decimals or non-decimals? Anybody in this class? Please respond. 1 to 100 numbers, point value or without point value, sir? 1 to 100 numbers without point. When without point, can I say these are integer values? Okay, that's why I am going to take integer here. Okay, that means I is a variable. What type of variable it is? Integer type variable. This is my program is saying. Okay, starting number 1. Next, up to which number you want to print? Up to 100. Up to 100. That means I value 1, ending number 100. Okay, after 1, we need the 2 or not? That's why I'm using I plus plus. I plus plus meaning 1 incremented. And after 2, 1 incremented 3. Up to 100 numbers I want to print. I want to print. Now it is printing current I value. Current I value is what? 1. After printing 1, I plus plus 2. 2 printed. Up to 100 printed. When 101 reached, this program automatically stopped. Okay. And to print that number, I am using this sys out. And here space also required. That's why I'm using like this. Okay. Finally, see that the output is 1 to 100 numbers are there or not. Everyone watch it, guys. Now we are having all the 1 to 100 numbers. Everyone observe it. How many numbers are displayed? 100 numbers are displayed. And now finally tell me, guys, finally it is on you. When I asked the question, computer just show me 1 to 100 numbers, it is able to show the numbers. When I'm asking orally, it is showing any number? No. But after writing this program, it is showing the numbers or not? Point, observe it. When I'm orally asking, it is not giving any result. But once a program is written, it is giving what? Answer. That means what? This computer is not able to understand our human languages. This computer is not able to understand our human languages. But what it can understood? The Java language. Can I say it is a Java program? Can I say it is a Java program? Yes. Then Java is a what? Java is a, watch it carefully. Now we are entering the most important thing. Java is a language. Java is a language which is designed to communicate with the computer. This is what I am saying. That's why what is a language? Generally, the languages like Telugu, English, Hindi are used to communicate with what? Humans. Everybody observe it. And now come to this point. Here, important point I want to reveal. See that. This is your Java program. Okay.
Java Fullstack, you have to do them. So I'm a first to see them.
Okay. Now it is your Java program. In detail, later we are discussing. It is only sample example. Okay. Now 1 minute, everybody see that what I want to say. Here I'm taking one small thing here, guys. Now, very small thing, 1 minute, see that. This is our Java program, no doubt at all. Anybody tell me from here to here, can I say all these are called instructions or not? From here to here, these are called instructions. We are having one instruction, more than one instruction. In this, we are having only one instruction, so many instructions, so many instructions. That means it is called set of instructions. This is called a set of instructions. And guys, set of instructions is called what? Set of instructions is called a program. Okay. Now we are writing set of programs. Listen carefully. What I am saying, listen carefully. We are writing set of programs. And set of programs, okay, set of program, can I say it is a software? Set of program is called software. That means one thing is very clear with my example. What is that? To create a software. To create a software. Okay. We have to write the programs. Am I right? To create a software, we have to write the programs. And to create the program, we have to use the instructions. Anyone tell me? Currently, to create these instructions, which language I have used? Good. Then, can I say like this? C, C++, Java, .NET. Everyone observe it carefully. What I am saying. C, okay. C++, Java, Python, .NET, some etc. etc. Now these are all called what? These are all called computer programming languages. Okay. All these are called computer programming languages. And why we need this computer programming language? The meaning very, very clear. By using computer programming languages, we are writing the instructions. Remember this. Okay. By using computer programming languages, we are giving the instructions. And by using instructions, we are creating programs. By using programs, we are creating the software. And in this class, everybody aim is what, guys? In future, everyone want to become a what, guys? Software engineer, no? In this classroom, everybody want to become a software engineer or developer or programmer or not. Finally, can I conclude my sentence like this? To become, everyone listen carefully. Why you are in this class, now you can understood. To become a software engineer work is developing software. And to develop software, you have to write the programs. And to write the programs, you have to use the instructions. To give the instructions, you have to learn a computer programming language. Now, finally, tell me, guys, without computer programming language, you are going to be a programmer? Logic is very clear. Without computer programming language, you people are never going to be a programmers. That's why you are in this class. And what is the class name means Java. Because of Java is a computer programming language. I think this point everyone understood or not. In this program, I have covered all the concepts required for you. With this picture, you can easily understood what is Java right now. Okay. Somebody asked, guys, somebody asked what is Java. Somebody asked what is Java. Now, based on this picture, you can say Java is a computer programming language, and computer programming languages are used to develop the software. This is what I have written here. Everybody clear? Next one. By using these computer programming languages, comma, we can't communicate with, okay, by using these human human languages, we can't communicate with the machines. To communicate with the machines, we have to learn the computer programming languages like Java, .NET, Python, etc. This is why we have to learn computer programming languages. Okay. Now the language meaning, everybody very clear now? Next. Basically, the computer languages are divided into three types. Okay. Basically, the computer languages are divided into how many types means three types. What are the three type of computer languages available? One is the machine language. Second one, low level, which is also called assembly language. Third one is the high level language. Okay. Basically, the computer languages are divided into three types. One is the machine language, another one low level or assembly language, third one is high level language. Now, what is the difference between machine language, low level or assembly language, high level language? Very simple. See that. Machine language. The machine language. I am giving simple example also for easy understanding. What is machine language? What is low level language? What is high level? See that. Suppose I'm writing 001010 like this. Can I say it is binary code? Okay. Anybody can understood this language? Suppose you are as a human being, we are able to understand this? No. That is very difficult. Then what about low level language? For example, I'm writing just small example only. I'm writing GDMRG. You are able to understand or not? GDMRG. GDMRG meaning is what? GDMRG in outside. Good morning. Good morning. But actually, it is full good morning a shortcut. Very good. And this shortcut is called what means mnemonics. Remember this. This kind of shortcuts are called mnemonics. Remember, this shortcut is called mnemonics. Okay. Now I am going to write like this. Everybody see this. Now easy to compare. Another one high level language. For example, good morning. Now you guys tell me. Here I have given three languages. One is machine language, one is low level language, one is high level language. Everyone observe it. One is machine language, one is low level language, one is high level language. And which one is easy for you? Very clearly I'm asking. Here 000110 GDMRG, good morning. Among these three, I think it is the very easy one. That means what? Here, high level languages created with simple English. It is a point. Good morning is a simple English now and easy to understand. Easy to understand. Okay. Example. For example, here see that low level or assembly language. They are created with what I said? Mnemonics. Mnemonics means shortcuts. Okay. I'm giving real time example also. Okay. Created with English shortcuts called mnemonics. Technical term it is mnemonics. And examples are what? Very simple, everyone watch it. I'm writing here ADD, comma SUB. Anyone tell me, guys, ADD full form? Come on, come on. Online students also. ADD full form is what? Anybody? Addition. Very good. Suppose addition. Okay. SUB means subtraction. Okay, very good. Okay. ADD means addition. SUB means subtraction. But I am not thinking like that. But in my mind, okay, in my mind, ADD means address. Okay. And SUB means subscribe. Nowadays, everyone is waiting for subscription. Now tell me, right one or wrong one it is? Huh? Address is the right one or wrong one? Right one. And subscribe also? Now tell me, you people tell me. Here, you are saying it is addition, but I am thinking it is address. Am I right? Now there is a clash or not? Because of in your mind it is different, in my mind it is different. Then what happened? You are getting a confusion. Finally, it says what? Which one is easy, guys? Based on this example, which one is easy? Very good. High level languages are easy. High level languages are easy. Okay. Sorry. And remember, I'm giving one small example also for this. I'm giving one small example, live example for this one. See that. Here, first I want to finish this one. Created with binary code, mean 0, comma 1, and not able to understand by the humans. Not able to understand by the humans. Okay. Example 10011 like this. And second one is the low level language. And third one, high level language. And now I'm giving example for low level or assembly language and high level language. Everyone observe it. I'm giving directly practical example. Remember everybody, I'm giving live example for this. Live example. What is the live example for low level or assembly language? Everyone, just watch it. Practical example also I'm giving. There is a small example I want to write. It is the C++. It is also language, computer language. And here I'm taking one program. This is the program, guys. Everyone observe it. We are having one small C++ program which is created in assembly language. See that? A value 10. Everybody knows A is a variable and storing what? 10. And B value is what? 20. Now ASM. ASM is assembly module started. Okay. And move. I'm saying move. Which one? A value to AX. Remember this. Move the A value into AX. B value into BX. Means now A value moved into AX, B value moved into BX. Later add BX value with AX. Already AX having what? Yes, system variable. Okay, na system memory. It is a system memory. Now it is user variable. Na? This variable value moved into system memory and B value moved into BX. Now we are moving BX value. BX value nothing but B na. B is nothing but 20 na. Now the 20 added with AX. AX is having 10. Now finally 30 copied into C and print the C value. You know that now the C value is what? 30. Tell me guys, these are full forms or shortcuts? These are all shortcuts or full forms? These are called mnemonics. These are called run the program. See that you got the answer or not. Everyone observe it guys. Sum equal to what? 30 printed or not? See that sum 30 also printed. Now this is called what? Assembly programming. This is called assembly programming. Remember this. This is the example for assembly programming. Okay, 1 minute. I'm sharing this with you in notes also. Right. It is a practical example for assembly programming. And output is this one. C equal to 30. Finally, we got the answer 30 for this. Very clear? And same program, same to same program, I am doing in high level language. Same example, I want to complete with high level language. Then how to complete same example with high level? See that? I'm writing the same example using high level code. I'm taking a fresh file. Okay, I'm going to take the fresh file. And here I'm writing first header file. In C++, they are called header files. Later, main method, taking same variable, a value 10, b value 20, comma c equal to a plus b. That's all. And printf c equal to percentage d, comma c. Actually, these are integer type now. When it is integer, we have to use percentage d for printing. Remember this. You are getting a doubt, sir. What is the percentage d, sir? Percentage d is nothing but integer representation. Percentage d is the integer representation. To print any integer value, you should have to use percentage d. And now run the application. See that again we got the same answer or not? C equal to 30. Now guys, this is easy. Previous example is easy because of a value 10, b value 20, c equal to a plus b. You know everybody. Okay, plus means what? Addition. Then answer automatically 30 coming. Okay, that means it is saying what? This is the example for high level language. This is the example for high level language. Yes, online student, everyone getting now? Now I have given practical example. Practical example for what is low level, what is high level language. That's why the people are saying high level languages are easy for understanding. High level language easy to understand. I think up to this clear. We have discussed totally how many type of languages? Three type: machine language, assembly language, and high level language. Okay. Now this language part is completed. Why we have discussed language means because of Java is also one of the language. Java is a high level language. Okay. Now one more important topic today I want to explain. One more very very important. What is called a translator? Because of these are all our upcoming topics. If your CR Java program should be translated. Okay. Now what is called translator? What is meant by translator? Hmm. Translator is a predefined program. This is also one of the predefined program, comma, which is used to convert, everyone observe it carefully, which is used to convert our source code into compiled code. Sir, what is the source code, sir? What is source code? Remember, our English program. Simple. Whatever the program you are writing, okay, either in C language, C++, Java. Just to watch it, just before I have shown. Can I say it is a pure English program created in Java? Actually, it is an English program created in Java. You know that. Then this program is a source code. This program is called source code. And here also see that it is a C++ program, but created in simple English. Na? This is also called. This is also called source code. Okay. But you know that our computer is not able to understand English. The computer is not able to understand English. And computer understandable code is what? Binary code. The computer understandable code? Binary code. Okay. Then what is that? Everybody observe it. Always the user given instructions are in English. Okay. Always the user given instructions are in English. But the machine is not able to understand this English, and it can only binary code. It can understand only the binary code. Okay. Next, here to convert this source code means what? English program into binary code. We are using translators like compiler, interpreter, assembler. It is a point. Okay. Actually, we are having three type of translators. One is the compiler, another one is the interpreter, and third one is the assembler. Remember this, we are having three type of translators. Okay. What are the three translators? Compiler, interpreter, assembler. Now in interview, they're asking the question, what is the difference between compiler, interpreter, assembler? What is the difference between compiler, interpreter? Watch it carefully. Compiler and interpreter. Compiler and interpreter are used to convert our high level programs into machine language or binary code. Okay. Into binary code. Remember, compiler and interpreter both are used to convert our high level program into binary code. Next, then difference is what? The difference is what? Compiler converts the total source code. I will show you practically. I will show you source code into binary code at once by leaving error lines. Interpreter, I will explain, nothing to worry. Interpreter will convert line by line. Sir, what it means, sir? We are not able to understand, sir. Simply you are saying compiler, interpreter both are used for high level to binary code or machine language. But you are saying difference, na sir. Compiler converts the total source code into binary code at once, but interpreter will convert line by line. What it means, sir? What it means? Okay. Everyone watch it. I am giving practical example for this one also. Everyone just take a look on this. It is also I want to give. Just assume it is my source code. Everyone observe it, guys. This is my source code, which is purely in English. Remember, it is my source code, which is purely in English. And here I'm having certain lines like this. Just assume it is my source code. And currently I'm using a compiler here. I'm using a compiler. Now, how the compiler is working? I have given space also. Intentionally, I have given space. Remember, there is a compiler. Intentionally, I'm leaving a space. Remember this. Now, this is what? Compiled code. Generally, in C++ .obj file we are calling. In C++, the compiled code is stored in .obj file. Now everyone listen carefully, guys. What I am saying, everybody listen carefully. How the compiler is working. How the compiler is translating this code. Compiler is taking first line. The compiler is taking the first line. Now in first line, there is no problem. Immediately, the converted code stored in the file without any error. Now it is taking the second line, but second line, there is an error. Even though it is having error, it is also stored in the file. It is the important point. Remember everybody, even though it is having the error, it is also stored in the file. Next, now it goes to third line. Third line, there is no mistake. Again, it is also going to store. Now there is no mistake here. It is also stored. And fourth, again we got the error. Remember, again in fourth line, there is an error. Now what happened? Again, it is also stored in the file. Fourth line also stored. Now, finally, one thing is very clear. The compiled code having errors. The compiled code having errors. And now listen carefully. Totally, how many lines are there? 4 lines, and 4 lines compiled, and finally the 4 lines stored in file. Okay, and where is the first error in this program? Second line. Even though second line there is a problem, the problem is not going to be stopped. Remember, even though we are having error, even though we are having error in second line, the program is never going to be stopped. It is going to continue the third line, fourth line, fifth line until total program is completed. And finally, it is showing the error. Finally, see that after completion of total program, it shows errors. It is the important thing. Listen carefully. After completion of total program, it shows errors. Everyone now watch it carefully. Here what I have written. COMP. Everyone observe it. Very simple. COMP I am writing. Here also completion. It is what is called COMP. Remember, that's why it is called compiler. The logic is now very clear. Why it is called compiler, sir? Why it is called compiler? Because of the compiler is giving a result after completion of the program. That's why the name it is called compile. See that in COMPILER, COMP stands for completion. Remember everybody, COMP stands for completion. That's why it is called a compiler. That means compiler is showing errors after completion of total program. This is what I am saying. Okay, sir. Then what about interpreter, sir? How the interpreter is working? Listen carefully, guys. How the interpreter is working? I'm adding these notes. Now listen. Interpreter working style is what? Okay. In interpreter, we are not having any files. Listen carefully. In interpreter, we are not having any file because of immediate action. Interpreter. How the interpreter is working? Listen carefully. Now it is the interpreter I'm using. The interpreter also taking the first line. In first line, there is no problem. In first line, there is no problem. Immediately, it is passed for execution. Directly executed. Remember this. In interpreter, first line is checked. There is no problem. Immediately, it is passed for execution. Next one. Second line, it is taking. Error is there. In second line, there is an error. Then what happened? Immediately, it is giving the error. See that what I am writing here. See that carefully. Okay. Now stops. Everyone watch it carefully. What I am saying here. Stops checking in second line. Actually, second line means middle of the program. Stop checking in second line. Means middle of the program. Until what? Until this error is solved. If the second line problem is solved, second line mistake is covered, then only it is checking. When second line problem is solved, then only it checks the next line, means third line. That means what? Line by line. It is the meaning of that one. It is not checking at a time. Everyone observe it carefully. Stop checking in second line because of error is there in second line. That means what? It is checking line by line. This is called a interpreter. See that here what I have written? Inter. Actually, inter means nothing but middle. Everybody observe it carefully. Inter means nothing but middle of the program. That's why it is called interpreter. Listen, that's why we are calling it is a interpreter because of it stops the execution in middle of the program. It stops the execution in middle of the program. That's why we are calling interpreter. And interesting part is what means in Java both are used. In Java both are used. We are using compiler and interpreter. 1 minute. Mm. Now remember C, C++. Listen carefully. C and C++ are using compilers. Next, listen carefully, guys. Java is using both compiler and interpreter because of at runtime it is going to check the values at runtime. First Java program is compiled, guys. Remember, first your Java program is compiled. At runtime, interpreter is checking the inputs. Okay, now that's why both. In Python, only the interpreter is used. Remember, okay? In interview, they're asking the question. In Python, what is they are going to use? Only interpreter because of shell script is there in Python. Immediate answer. Okay, in Python, shell scripting is there. At script, when enter key pressed, program executed immediately. Means line by line checking. But in Java, we are writing code in programs now. Okay, huge programs we are writing. Okay, first your program is compiled. Finally, it is going to be interpreted. Hence, Java is called. It is a compiler based interpreted languages. Remember, hence Java is called it is a compiler based interpreted language. Why? Because means in Java we are using both compiler and interpreter. Okay. And what about assembler? Assembler is used to convert low level languages, machine language. It is the difference. Previous two are what? High level to high level to low level. Remember, compiler and interpreter, high level to low level. But assembler is for what purpose? Low level to machine language. Okay. Low level is also called what? Assembly language. This is about the translators, guys. Why we need the translator? Without translator, our program never executed. Okay. Without translate. Logic is very simple, man. Okay. In our regular words also, we are going to say about translator. Daily we are using the translators. For example, okay. Just example I am going to say. Suppose here, example, it is only example. Narendra Modi I am going to take. It is example only, guys, for understanding the concept. Okay, Narendra Modi is there and he is coming to Hyderabad. He is coming to Hyderabad and he is conducting a meeting in Hyderabad. There is a meeting. Okay, no? There is a public meeting in Hyderabad. But you know that Hyderabad people are Telugu people. Okay, general I'm saying Hyderabad people are Telugu people. Suppose most of the people are Telugu. But Narendra Modi's speech is in Hindi. Simple logic. Here, Narendra Modi means otherwise one person, just assume. Okay, na? Now this person is conducting a meeting in Hyderabad and speech started in Hindi. But here Telugu people are there. Now they are not able to understand what he is saying. Then they are going to give one translator. Can I say that? Now they are going to pick up one translator. Now the translator work is, you know that here we need a translator. Means we are converting Hindi to what? Telugu or not? Like that. Here in my example, Hindi is what? In computer language, Hindi is what? Assume source code. And Telugu is the, I think very clear now. Okay. Why we need the translator? Everyone understood or not? This is the translator work. When translators are there, the programs are converted from high level languages to machine language or low level language to machine language. Up to this, everyone understood or not? Please, up to this, everyone, is it clear? Yes, online student, is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, very good, Stephen. You? Yes. Okay, you are from?
I'm from Ivory Coast.
You are from, sorry?
Ivory Coast, West Africa.
South Africa. Oh, good, good, good. Very good. I actually my language you are able to, my slang is able to understand?
A little, a little.
Little. Okay, okay, okay. Very good. And Ranit, okay, Reshma, Mukherjee and Reshma. Is it clear? Could you please respond, Amma? Any doubts? You guys are having any doubts?
I am having one doubt.
Yeah.
Any language which is to be compiled is mandatorily need to be interpreted also, right?
No, 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 not at all. No. For example, C is there. Suppose C, C++ are there. There is no interpreter, na first thing. If you are going for compiler and interpreter both, it is going to take more time or not?
Yes.
Point understood? That's why the people are saying Java programs performance is low when compared with C and C++. Suppose in interview they're asking the question. In interview there is a question. What is the question means? Actually, why Java program performance is low when compared with C and C++? Because of in C, C++ only compilation stays only there. But in Java what happened? Both compilation and interpretation also there na. Two stage verification na. Okay, Mukherjee?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yes, good. Very okay. Any more? Okay. Then one more thing also I want to say. Actually, the management said they are giving the number also. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, guys. I want to say something. Actually, Nishad, Ashok IT spokesperson, means she is the counselor, main counselor, and any fees related queries. Okay, you can contact on this number. Okay, please feel to contact on this number. The name is Nishad. Okay, Ashok IT counselor. She is the main counselor. And regarding to this batch, what is the fee structure? All these things. Because of they are saying, okay, demos are going to be closed. That's why what I am saying. Okay, now you are having any queries. Okay, now she is available, and any fees related queries, any other related office related queries, contact this girl. Okay, now then tomorrow I'm going to continue the remaining concept. This maximum 20. Ah, I don't know. That's why management will keep the thing. What is our I have given that. Yes. Actually, this is going to be 1.5 hours. Okay. You have to attend the HTML class. You have to attend the Oracle. Suppose you are going to select a full stack. Suppose you have selected full stack Java. Parallel batches you have to attend. Any another 2 classes or 1 class. Right now, core Java, na? Along with that, you have to attend either Oracle or HTML. That is another 1.5 hours. Total 6 months. 4, 5, 6. It is what I am saying also. For example, you are going to start with core Java. Suppose just take 2 hours. You have started Oracle also. Again, 2 hours. That is dependent on your number of batches. You are able to attend 3 batches. Then you have to spend here 6 hours. It is. It is based on your eligibility also. Means you can grab no problem. Otherwise, based. Okay. Full stack Java means full stack course means you have to take minimum 2. Then only you can complete as early as possible. Suppose you are attending 1 class means it is taking 1 year minimum. Okay. If you are taking 3 classes, some more. Okay. For every class, 1.5 hour class. Okay. Like that. This is the course. And here I have given the information also. And one more thing, I'm going to post this notes also. I'm going to post this notes also. Okay, now fees actually total cost 30 and placement 35,000. Projects are coming, and this is the roadmap. You have to attend this one and this one. Core Java plus HTML. Not right now. Okay, here these are coming. Nothing but web services. Okay, now Spring, when Spring is started, final thing is microservices. Okay, here core Java coming, HTML, Oracle. 3 batches you have to attend. Next, advanced Java, CSS remaining means UI remaining concept. Last concept, Spring Boot, microservices. Okay, now this is the roadmap, and here I am giving this entire notes, guys. Daily I am going to post like this. Okay, here I am going to post in our it is the Ashok IT domain, and here I am going to upload the notes. You can watch the notes later. Okay, there is no need to download all these things directly. You can open, and here view notes. Okay, okay, you are getting the notes. Now I am going to modify this. That's all. See that from beginning you are having the notes from starting day to up to this. Just click on this. You are getting the notes. Starting class. What I have explained. What is full stack Java? Okay, now and up to ending. Today, what I have completed with information or not. Okay, now like this, you can get the notes. You can download also to your system directly without opening every time. Once you are enrolled, your name is automatically added to system. You can access the notes at any time. Okay, now right. Okay, guys. Thank you for today. Okay. Join tomorrow at same time. Until that, take care and bye bye. Any more queries, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave the class for today. Okay. Right. Thank you. Thank you all.
Hi, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Ranit.
When will be the HTML and Oracle start?
When it is going to be, just look on this one. Once again, I'm saying. Actually, here Ashok IT dashboard is there now. Okay, just enter into Ashok IT website. There it is displayed. Otherwise, our counselors are there. Na? They are going to post the remaining details. When the new batch is going to start, they are going to give the information through email or WhatsApp group. Okay, na?
Okay.
When the HTML going to start, when the Oracle is going to start, like this, they are going to inform through WhatsApp or email. No problem at all. Okay. Once enrollment completed, you are getting automatically these details. Right. Okay. Thank you. Even doubts? No? Okay. Right. Thank you.